In this video, I'm going to show you the best ice makers on the market. I didn't test any of them physically, but I looked at the features and reviews from hundreds of buyers who tested their capacity, details, and limitations. You'll find the chapters in the timeline so you don't waste time, but it's worth watching the whole video because your money isn't a joke. If you like any of them, you'll find the links to the ice makers in the video description. Honestly, I wish I could say the most popular ones are very different. But Uhomi, Silin, and Frigidaire basically do the same job. All three are very fast, producing 9 bullet-shaped ice cubes in 6 minutes. They're especially made for home use or small parties of 6 to 8 people. So, how do they work? Fill them with 1.7 liters of water, and in about 6 minutes, the ice drops into the basket. The basket of these three machines holds about 1.3 pounds of ice. When it's full, the machine's sensor tells you it's ready, so you need to empty it. The manufacturer says it makes 26 pounds per day, but that's over a 24-hour period. Since they're almost the same machine, what really changes is the brand and price. Silin is very popular, with more than 24,000 reviews and costs around $80. Frigidaire is a very old and trusted brand. It consumes more energy, but is also the most durable, costing around $100. Uhomi is the middle ground, a newer brand on the market. Maybe that's why it's the cheapest, at around $70. As for the limitations, they're not really portable because they don't keep the ice frozen. They must stay plugged in to work, and they require regular cleaning to avoid bad taste and other issues. Also, their ice storage capacity is quite small, around 1.3 pounds. If you want one for bigger parties that keeps the ice frozen longer, the eCozy is the ideal choice. It produces 44 pounds per day. The basket holds 2.3 pounds of ice, and you don't have to worry about the ice melting. Besides notifying you when it's full, it keeps the ice 20% colder. If you want ice ready by 7 p.m., you can use its app to schedule the production for that time. Unfortunately, it doesn't have a battery, so it needs to stay plugged in. Unlike the 26-pound models, this one is more suitable for home use. If you want something to take to the beach or camping, I recommend the Uhomi 26-pound I mentioned earlier. But pay attention. The eCozy is a bigger investment than the others. However, if that's fine for you, there's also an upgrade from Uhomi, the 34-pound model. It has the same technology as the 26-pound version, but at a much lower price than the eCozy. To keep your ice tasting fresh, it's essential to clean the machine regularly, preferably every 2 weeks. Use an ice maker descaler for better cleaning and to remove hard water, calcium, and lime scale that build up inside. You'll find all the links for these ice makers and the descaler in the description below. Thank you so much for watching, and if you like something in this video, buy it and buy.